it's probably been a while since I've released a video. But I'm just gonna do something really, just like really short and kind of weird. If not, I don't know why I'm doing this. But I was like thinking, so my sound card has like these random like audio kind of thing. So I thought maybe I'll try to test it out and see like what it would sound like. And maybe, I mean, like, I don't know how it will turn out, but I just want to like see, yeah, and I'm literally recording this right before I'm going to work, so like, anyway, yeah, so this will be a really quick video, but I just wanted to just kind of go through the sound effects on my V8, so yeah, we'll see how it goes, yeah. Alright, sorry about that. Okay, so the first thing we have is, it says cheer, so I'm guessing it's gonna be like a celebration kind of thing. Let's hear it. I hope it's not too loud, I don't want to blast my kids. Okay. Alright, it's just clapping and cheering, yeah. Alright, we're just gonna go across. This is D-I-N, Din? I don't know what that means. Oh my gosh, it's birds! Oh my gosh, it's a call. Alright. Next is a gunshot. That's more than one, that's like 5, I think. Anyway. 9277. I think I heard this one time. What? We have a yell. Are you ready for this? Beautiful. We have a kiss. We've also heard this one. It's really stupid, but okay. We've got laughter now. Oh my gosh, literally that reminds me of like those laugh tracks on like TV shows. Oh my goodness. We've got an applause, this might be loud. Okay. Now we have Dindin. I'm not playing that again. You guys can listen to that. Oh my gosh. Alright, now we've got a giggle. It sounds like applause, just minus the clapping. Or the cheer. Now we have slash. No, that's slap, guys. That's a slap for sure. That's not a slash. And this one is PBUG. PUBG, I don't know. Oh gosh. Okay. Those are the 12 sound effects on my sound card. I don't think I'll ever use any of them. I mean, like, I don't know, because I don't say anything funny or stupid or I don't know. But anyway, thanks for listening to my random video. But if you're expecting me to like put a whole bunch of videos, it's probably very rare, but it just depends on either what I want to make instead of like reaction videos, you know, something different, but I'm not sure yet. But yeah, I won't drag this too long. Thank you again, and peace out.